Hey guys, we're doing the 4-box break team draw. It's 9:29, 17 p.m. Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Teams going 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Alrighty, so the teams are, random complete. The teams are Branko Kings, Rodney, Wizards, Branko with the Jazz, Indy with the Sixers, Peter Kang, Pistons, Matt White, Mavericks, Mose with Magic, Juan with Thunder, Thorpe with Bucks, Tommy Oliver, Wolves, Artie with Hornets, Boyd Martin, Raptors, Jonathan Michaels, Spurs, Josh Remington, Bulls, Ash Peters, Grizz, Mario Demetriou, Warriors, Sean Thon, Lakers, Indy with the Cavs, Cannon with the Hawks, Scotty with the Knicks, Shane with the Clippers, Mr. Wells with Nets, Adam Carter Pacers, Rodney Celtics, Mr. Pittman with the Pelicans, Mr. Mannion Nuggets, Branko with the Heat, Mr. Skinner Blazers, Matt Kelly Suns, and Artie with the Rockets. And that is the team list.